Pakistan, is a significant and growing sector, particularly in urban areas like Lahore and Islamabad. It offers diverse opportunities, including residential and commercial property development, with the potential for high returns on investment. Here's a more detailed look. Key aspects of the real estate business in Punjab. Market growth. Punjab is experiencing urbanization and population growth, leading to increased demand for residential and commercial properties. Investment opportunities. Real estate is considered a strong investment due to its potential for high returns. Diverse opportunities. The market offers a range of opportunities, including residential development, building and selling apartments and houses; commercial property, developing and managing office spaces, retail areas, and industrial properties; property management, managing rental properties for landlords; luxury property sales, focusing on high-end properties, potentially offering higher commissions; strategic locations. Cities like Lahore, Islamabad, and even emerging hubs like Multan, Faisalabad, and Gujranwala offer good real estate development potential. Legal and tax requirements. Understanding legal frameworks and compliance requirements is crucial for success. Business models. Different business models can be adopted, including public auctions, participating in transparent auctions for acquiring prime real estate; joint ventures, collaborating with other businesses or government entities; public-private partnerships (PPP), partnering with the government to develop infrastructure projects; foreign direct investment (FDI), attracting foreign investment through various avenues, registration and compliance; registering with relevant authorities, for example, RERA Punjab, and complying with tax laws is essential. Tips for success. Market research. Thoroughly analyze the market to understand demand, trends, and competition. Develop a business plan. Create a detailed plan outlining your strategy, goals, and financial projections. Secure financing. Develop a strategy to secure necessary funding for your projects. Build a strong network. Connect with other real estate professionals and potential clients. Establish an online presence. Use social media and other digital platforms to market your properties and business. Start small. Begin with a smaller project and gradually expand your operations. By carefully considering these factors and developing a solid business plan, entrepreneurs can successfully navigate the real estate business in Punjab.